welcome back to Chef Singh Cooking. Today I'm gonna do smoked jerk chicken. I'm gonna use leg quarters. I'm gonna use vinegar right here to wash the chicken. It's a Jamaican thing. You either wash the chicken with vinegar or limes. It's just to get the raw smell off the chicken. Make sure it's clean. Then I'm gonna put olive oil on it, and I'm gonna coat it with my homemade jerk seasoning that I made from scratch. If you want to know the ingredients, just let me know in the comments and I'll share with you. But that's my homemade jerk seasoning. I got sick and tired of asking people to send me jerk seasoning because I live in Texas. So I made my own, and it's actually pretty good. I really like it. And I'm gonna serve it with some pineapple. I'm gonna grill the pineapple also, and I'm gonna smoke the chicken. So jerk chicken, leg quarters, smoked. See you in a bit. Smoker is ready. I'm gonna smoke the chicken for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna grill the chicken for 350 degrees for 1 hour. Yep, see you in a bit. So with the smoked jerk chicken, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grill some pineapple, and I'm gonna do some plantain. Traditional thing in Jamaica, plantain. We use plantain for everything. So I'm gonna jerk the chicken, do some pineapple, plantain. See you in a bit. Yeah man, chicken done with a dry rub, smoking for 2 hours. Yep, ready to go. My special jerk seasoning rub on the Pit Boss grill. Yep, smoke it, grill it. Yep, see you in a bit. You don't know, we have the jerk chicken, dry rub, infused with the apple wood on the smoker. We have my special barbecue sauce, so it's sweet and spicy at the same time. We have some grilled pineapple. We have some fried plantain. Yeah man, you don't know. Perfect little island meal. You know, the chicken are gonna be so tender, you can't believe it. But yeah, hope you like it. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think. See you later, Chef Singh Cooking.